Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Obsessed Designs. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Princess Masong. I am an architect based here in Cebu, Philippines, and this channel is about all things creative. So for today's episode, we are going to Baseline Premier Residences, Cebu.
Baseline Premier Residences is a contemporary 27-floor condominium structure with a commercial complex at its foot. It has one of the most desirable locations in the city since it's within walking distance from major lifestyle needs in Midtown Cebu, including hospitals like Cebu Velas General Hospital, Cebu Doctors Hospital, and Changwa Medical Arts. The owners are both in the medical field but are now working abroad. They bought this property as an investment with the intention of renting this out to those who are working in the medical field as well. The unit is a 36 square meters, one-bedroom condominium. The owners want to fit the basic spaces in a home into this tiny space, and we sure are up to the challenge. The kitchen and bathroom were already existing, so we had to provide the owner's requirements for a living/guest bedroom, media consoles/dining area, closet and office space, and lastly, the master bedroom.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Now let's see if we have made this design come to life.
We're here! Come in. Just designing this unit, I was already thinking of the ways that they will be living here. So coming in, they will be having keys. So I placed a drop-off area here. So you can place their keys, their mask, all those stuffs. And then here we have a storage for their shoes. So as soon as they come inside, they can put their shoes in here. Or if they are about to wear their shoes, okay, they will just sit here and then they can put on their shoes. Go inside the bathroom. So here in the bathroom, we have the existing lavatory and toilet. So this was provided for by the Baseline Residences. So installations that we did here is the shelves, the lights. So these lights are tricolor. There, so warm white, and then mixed and daylight. And then the installation we did here as well is the sliding doors. This cabinet was given by the mom of the client, so we had to do painting, changed also the handles. So this was the original color here, and then we just repainted it and then retouched everything. So this kitchen done by Baseline. So the overhead cabinets and the kitchen counter. So the installation we did is the overhead lightings. So here. So under mount daylight lighting here, so that when you're cooking, and also this hood installation, we also did that. So that when you're cooking or when you're washing the dishes, you know that it's clean and when it's cooked. So on this area here, a combination of TV wall and dining area. The reason why we did that is because we needed a dining area adjacent to the kitchen and a TV wall opposite to the sofa bed. So combine both so that we can maximize the space. This is actually a 6-seater dining table. The two chairs that were here are already in the bedroom. We are using that for their study or workspace. Next, we have our living area. It's a sofa bed, and it can accommodate up to 3 people, so a little smaller than a queen-size bed. These paintings, by the way, are a work of art by a friend of the client. So next, we have the bedroom. Doors were existing, but they were in different color. We repainted this to the color of white, and we wanted it to go with the white walls. So we opted to have white also on the door. So let's get inside. So here we have the bedroom. So one of the client's requirements for the bedroom is that we provide work space for them to work on their side hustles. And then this is also a rental unit, by the way. So if you're interested, you can also comment down below or message me. So here we have 2 spaces for work storage. So the working and you have stuffs that you need to be stored, it's there. And we also have here outlets and switches. So each workspace have their own pin light. So this pin light is also tricolor. So there's the combined daylight and warm white. We installed this mirror here to make it like 2-in-1. So this is a workspace and a vanity in one. Cabinets. So hangers and then drawers here. So ample storage. And then overhead cabinets as well. Then of course the bed area. Since the room is really big and they already have this queen size bed when we came, I just added this ledge on the edge of the bed. Have 2 side tables on each side with drop lights here. And then this one as well, an artwork by friend of my client. The ceiling fans are actually chandeliers when they are turned off. I will show you that. Okay, so when you turn the fan off, the fan keeps itself on the top of the chandelier. So there, it's just a simple light. So there you have it, guys. I hope you love this transformation. Please comment down below which part is your favorite. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!